Okay, I'm recording.
Alright, so today, this is going to be a video that my stepdad is filming me using an RC car that my stepdad made of his own in his little lab like apartment. It's actually a basement. So let's get going. I'm using a remote that's controlling this. Bang.
Boom.
And you can stop there. Now here's my stepdad doing this. It's going all the way down that driveway. Oh! No, I almost... Well, that was awesome. Alright, I know this video is a little bit random, but I decided to do something interesting for my channel. To see one of the RC cars in action that my stepdad made himself. And as you can see, I got my haircut today. So, anyways, that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Bye.